Now, we're all gonna play a little game. We're gonna see who can go the longest without making a sound. I don't want to hear one word out of anyone till we get to the Grand Canyon.
But...
Not one word.
I was just going to say that you forgot to take the car off the jack.
You lose, Ma.